situation, this situation. I am the man that she calls when her man not home, be giving her problems. Yeah, yeah. And when she's facing problems at home, she always look to me to help herself. Oh, yeah. But now this feeling between us is getting stronger. I can't hold back this any longer. Memories of you always linger in my mind. Yeah, I must confess, girl, I never saw this coming. Never knew one day I'll be giving you my loving. Now I'm falling for you. Yeah, now I'm in love with my girlfriend. What? She's really not my woman. Somebody tell me when me I got woman. Oh, yeah. 'Cause I'm in love with my girlfriend, but she's really not my woman. Somebody tell me when me I got woman. Oh, yeah.
You used to be the one that I would call. Used to be innocent shadows. Never did imagine I would fall so deep I can't get back up. You used to say don't worry about him, that I'm a good girl and I will find another man. Never did I thought that you would be that other man. I'm in love with my best friend, but he's really not my man. Oh, now I'm in love with my best friend, but he's really not my man. No, 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 no.
So what we gonna do now, baby? The situation is driving me crazy. Where you want to tell your man say? Boy, where you want to tell your man say?
So what we gonna do now, baby? Situation is driving me crazy. So what am I gonna tell my man? Yeah, I'm in love with my best friend, but he's really not my man. No, 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 no.
'Cause I'm in love with my girlfriend, but she's really not my woman. Somebody tell me when me I got woman.